We're at an absolute cliff. We got a drag strip. Ah, fuck! Cocksucker! Rock right in my hand. Not a good idea. So I'm gonna send the Rustler completely off and we'll see what happens. I'll probably end up just falling down there into that layer, but we'll see. Full pin. Let's do it. Now that is the most beautiful art scene I've ever seen in my life. Come here, let me get a nice shot of it.
You can't, it's so unique, you'll never find something else with a paint job that nice.
Done it. Aw, I took a tumble wumble. I'm half pin.
Yeah, the last one went full.
The tripod's over here. Whatever's left of it, this is intact. Yo, you fucking...
It's all snap on.
Lens looks fine and she's recording. A little tumble going full pin. Oh, that was sick. Jump me again. You're missing a body, man. Can I just can I hit you going full pin, please?
No.
My tire's fucked. Look at this. What is this? This thing's been stuck on for like... Oh, it's my tire. I was wondering what that was.
It's just a...
No, look. I saw it this morning, and I thought it was a leaf. I thought it was a leaf.
Oh, I didn't even know that's what was in there.
I thought it was a leaf. I saw it 4 times today. I thought it was a leaf. I forgot that I fucked these tires a while ago, and this drag racing ain't helping. Nice. Well, if you guys enjoy this video, smash that like button. GoPro's at 8%, so we're gonna head back. If you like the Rustler, she's a little bit more fucked than when we brought her out. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos because they're coming. I do start work soon, so the daily uploads might hit a roadblock, but I'll be posting as much as I can. What are you doing?
Nothing.
And if you think this is the ugliest slash you've ever seen, or RC in general, make sure to subscribe because we got plenty more ugly RCs on the way. Oh my. She is fucked. No, my whole fucking A-arm.
What?
Look, I broke it. The RPM fucking.
The RPM, yeah, I see.
Okay, hold this. See, all you gotta do here, guys, is just fucking put this back in.
Yeah, I mean, it's cheaper than a drive shaft because RPM parts are free.
Boom. Fucking good to go. Just
fucking one-wheel drive?
You put that like that. Yo, I got rear steering, bud.
Yeah, put that steering shit.
Good, she can make it home. It's out.